All right, looking at the spreadsheet. Now on this one, I played with the 2000. Let's say we're mailing something. So I'm going to say we're going to do 5,000 mailings. And out of those 5,000 mailings, let's say we had 300 people call us back. And out of those 300 people that called us back, we had a qualified quote of 250. And we sold 30 policies, which generated the agency $25,000 in commissions. In commissions, real important, in commissions. Now, the cost of labor, in this particular case, I'm not talking about what I pay my staff for their hourly. I'm talking about any additional things that I may have done for telemarketing, or I had to go out and maybe I use Vistaprint and I had to print all this stuff up. So let's say the cost of labor in this particular case for the mailing, for everything else, ran about $4,000. I'm not going to put anything in the cost of leads because I didn't actually buy a list. I just did the labor and I mailed that out. So now this automatically fills in for you. All you do is put the numbers across the top and the rest will automatically fill in for you. So I mailed out 5,000. I had a contact percentage of 6%, which is actually kind of high for mailings. My contact to lead percentage was 83%. Okay, so that means of the 300 folks, I got 250 quotes. That's pretty darn good. My close percentage was 12%, which is right around average, somewhere between 10 and 15% is pretty average in the industry. My initial investment was $4,000, but my return on investment was $21,000. I had a 525% return on investments. Now, I closed 30 policies, but let's say I really wanted 50 policies. In order to get 50, now when I plug that number in, I have to do 8,333 mailings in order to get the 50 policies that I want. So again, this spreadsheet can be your best friend, guys. Even if you're using a lead management tool that tracks everything for you, you still have to be able to forecast. And this spreadsheet will allow you to forecast.